Video opens to a red colored with small white dots backdrop. Large bold blue colored text reads, Sightless Living, copyright, copyright symbol, 2021-2022 Sightless Living, all rights reserved. Scene then opens to Anita, standing outside. She is wearing a poncho-style blouse with short gold chain fringe hanging from
Mr.
sleeves,
Squirrel.
flowers in hues of reds, blues, and white camisole, dark blue capris, coordinating headband,
Maybe it's a chipmunk.
gold hoop earrings, plum sunglasses with gold accents, and plum lipstick. Her hair is in a ponytail, and she is holding 2 mobility canes. She is currently not paying attention and is frustrating the videographer, as a nearby small animal has gotten her attention.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Anita here from Sightless Living. How are you today? I just wanted to introduce you to some of my holiday canes. I have 2 here. One is Candy and the other one is Patriot. Before I get started, let me mention, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified each time a video is uploaded. Also, be sure to leave comments so you will be eligible to win prizes when we have contests. Winners will be chosen from the comment section. I will elaborate more on that and the prizes. Let's get started. Let me explain them both. They are Ambutech canes, 60 inches tall, 5 sections, standard golf handle, but I will do Candy first. And these were made for me by a sighted person. We have the black standard golf handle. I'm spinning it around and holding it up. And I have clothing tags on it with the colors of the cane, and that's how I keep them straight. So this one, section 1 is the black style handle, golf style, and then it comes down. It has like maybe 3 inches of shaft hanging out of there. Black golf grip style handle. The cane is all white, and then it has red stripe going all the way down the cane at a twist, like a candy cane. That's why the cane is called Candy. So it's a red and white cane, which I use during holiday time. And since the golf grip is black, the non-rolling marshmallow tip is black at the bottom. And I'll hold it up and spin it around for those who can see the cane. And that is Candy. Since we just gotten over Independence Day, July 4th, I will now show you Patriot. Patriot has 5 sections. First section is the black style golf grip handle. And then it has like a little 3-inch section of cane shaft hanging out of there. That's blue. And section 2 is blue. And then between the 2 sections, it has white stars on it. 50 to resemble the American flag with 50 stars for the states. Then sections 3, 4, and 5 are white with red horizontal stripes going around the cane. Now this cane is special because the bottom, which I'm holding up, the cane tip is white on the top and bottom, and then in the center it's lucite, so it's kind of clear where you can see it translucent and you can see the mechanism. Now I'm going to sit it down. I have the cane tip on the mat here, and I'm going to roll it so the camera can see it, and hopefully it is lighting up. And it makes a little noise too. I was told that the mechanism inside, it rotates or it spins. That's what they said. It spins. So as it spins, it lights up. And I'm told it lights up blue, red, and silver. And I like this because it's a conversation piece. Sometimes it doesn't light up. So it depends on the surface or the mood of the cane tip. Who knows? Maybe the friction. And it also lights up on pavement, like I'm doing here. Do a little here on the pavement. It lights up in the road. It lights up at firework displays. And when it's really dark, like it gets here, because we do not have street lights, it's pretty bright, I'm told. Even sighted people have asked if they can get a cane. And these are made with the reflective tape that Ambutech also carries. I haven't tried it by walking out in the street to ask someone if they see my cane, but maybe one day I'll get to that. Now, some people have said to me they like to change out the cane shafts and mix them up, but I wanted to show you, you can take your look, you can step it up a notch by using, I'm going to rotate the cane as I'm rolling it, by using the reflective tape in styles. I have all different types of canes, music notes, polka dot, stripes, leaves. So whatever they have a hole punch for at the craft store, you can make for your cane. The candy cane I wouldn't attempt by myself because you have to twist that around so it stays, you know, equal. It looks good. And I don't fold these, so they stay straight. Here's some footage where it is a little darker and the cane tip is glowing a little brighter. The company where I purchased the cane tip is no longer on Amazon, but you may feel free to do a search for lighted cane tips or any other novelties you'd like to add to your cane. Thanks for joining me today to look at some ideas for your cane if you want to step yours up a notch. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you can be notified each time a video comes up, or even when we have contests. And the prizes will be for all, not focused on blind people or visually impaired people or disabled people, because I like to focus on just life. I mean, so what? We're blind, but that's not what defines us. In the prizes, you will see that. Be sure to look out for those, the contests and the different prizes. I will notify you when we have contests, so you can just check it out, and maybe I'll tell you what the prize is, or maybe I'll keep you in suspense. Don't know yet, but thanks for joining me, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Anita waves goodbye. Scene then changes back to the red-colored with small white dots backdrop. Large, bold, blue-colored rolling credits appear at the bottom of the screen and scroll upwards. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. TK, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.